Hello guys, today we are going to see about HTML table. What is HTML table and how we are going to use that in HTML, what is the use of that, how we are going to define. Let's see this in video. Just get the HTML, about HTML table. In the body section, the HTML table consists of a few more tags. The first one is whatever you want to specify it in the table format, we have to use the table tag first. Inside the table tag, we have few more tags, that is tr tag. That is nothing but the table row, whichever we are going to use inside the table, like whatever the data we are going to provide inside the table, we have to specify it here. I'm just giving name, and I would like to add one more row here, and city, and one more row, contact info. So for providing the data for this rows, we are going to use the td tag. This td is nothing but the table data, whichever we are going to provide the data in the table, we are going to provide that here. For the name, I'm going to just specify the random, and for the city I'm going to specify XYZ, and the contact info I'm going to just giving the random number. If you want to add one more row, you can just add it here, and for that specific row you also the data also you have to provide it here. It is a simple format. I'm not aligning any space or any extra things. Just save this. We'll see it. Yes, this is how it is appear in the browser. So if you want to add like a padding to specify separate the content from one to another, we have the editing session that